Now, your exclusive local alert weather forecast from Central Oregon's news leader.
Good morning and happy Tuesday. It is a very big travel day, couple big travel days that we have ahead of us. So let's take a look at what we have going on across our region here. Seeing some light mountain snow right now, not a lot of that falling at pass level. In fact, those passes look bare right now. So that is good news if you have travel plans over the next couple days. Those passes don't look too bad. You might be running into some slick spots here and there, but for the most part, we're just going to see some light mountain snow over the course of today, maybe even a little bit tomorrow. Tracking a wintry mix and even some snow in high elevation areas. Now, I will say we have a pretty decent sized pocket of dry air right above the surface, so not all of this is making it to the ground, if any. So just keep an eye out. You could be running into a few flakes here and there, but maybe not as widespread as what we're seeing right now. We're even actually picking up this radar here, picking up on a strike of lightning just a little bit further to our east. So keep an eye out for that as you're heading out the door. A few things going on this morning, but right now at the surface looks pretty dry. This is Sisters. You could see dry conditions out there, but frosty conditions. Those temperatures are cool this morning, so plan in that time for to scrape your car. Light mountain snow over the course of the next couple days, really just a couple inches expected. So still holding out for a big snow event to get those mountains open. We have a chance for showers here in the high desert over the next couple days. Those chances are pretty slim, but we do still have that chance. Just don't plan for a washout. That's not going to happen. And a mild Thanksgiving. We are heating up over the next couple days. Low to mid 50s for your Thanksgiving plans. This morning, 20s out there, 20 in Sisters and in Lapine, 30 degrees in Bend, 30 in Madras, 24 in Redmond, and 27 in Prineville. Again, sub-freezing temperatures, so you're probably going to have to scrape that windshield. Getting up to those 40s today. 49 is our high. By dinner time tonight, we'll be in those lower 40s. A variably cloudy skies through the afternoon. 48 in Redmond and Prineville, 44 in Sisters and Sun River, 46 in Madras and in Warm Springs. Low temperatures tonight will drop down into the 20s and 30s. Most areas in those 30s, but Sisters 29, 26 overnight, or rather early tomorrow morning for the Lapine area. For the most part today, and really for the next couple days, that rain's going to stay to the north. We just have some slight chances. We're kind of on the cusp of where these systems are impacting the region. So variably cloudy skies, but the chance for a few pockets of rain here and there. Light mountain snow into this evening. This is 5 p.m. If you have to run out to the grocery store after work, we're looking dry in the high desert. We head into Wednesday morning. Spotty rain showers. You can see on the mountains, mostly rain there too. Temperatures heating up over the next couple days. Brief pause in some of that precipitation late Wednesday. That's going to pick back up again on Thursday. So really just 20% chance of rain. Jefferson County, you guys have the best chance of seeing some rain over the next couple days.